Hello friends, whenever you claim ITC, your government wanted to know the invoices which your supplier has shown in their GSTR 1A. Here's the GSTR 2A come in the picture. Think of it as a mirror. But here's a catch, the mirror keeps changing. In this video, let's break it down into the simple words. Here we'll understand what is GSTR 2A, how it is used and why it is important. So without any further delay, let's get started. Segment 1, what is GSTR 2A? So GSTR 2A is an auto-generated statement created by the GST portal itself. It includes the invoices which your supplier has shown while filing their GSTR 1 return. You cannot file your GSTR 1A, it is an auto-generated statement, but it is dynamic. That means if your supplier files later or make changes, your GSTR 2A will also change. In simple word, it is not the static statement, it is dynamic which keeps updating. Segment 2, GSTR 2A versus GSTR 2B. Now let's discuss the most confusing part, that is GSTR 2A versus GSTR 2B. GSTR 2A is a dynamic statement which keeps changing as your supplier updated the statement. Whereas GSTR 2B is a static statement which is a fixed snapshot for a month. In simple words, GSTR 2A helps in reconciliation, but you claim your ITC using GSTR 2B. Segment 3, why GSTR 2A is important. Now, you may ask the question why GSTR 2A is important. So, basically, GSTR 2A helps you in verifying whether your supplier has filed their return properly. If they haven't, your GST credit may get blocked. It also helps you in identifying the missing invoices, mismatched amount or wrong GST numbers. In short, GSTR 2A protects you from claiming the ITC that isn't actually available. Here's a practical flow on how GSTR 2A works. First, you need to download GSTR 2A from GST portal. Then, you need to compare your GSTR 2A with your purchase register. Thirdly, you need to identify any error like missing invoices, mismatched GST numbers or mismatched amount. Fourth, you need to contact to your vendor to fix those errors in their GSTR 1. And finally, use the reconciled data to file your GSTR 3B correctly. Segment 5, common problems. Now, let's discuss some common problem which arises usually while reconciling GSTR 2A. Number 1, supplier has not filed their GSTR 1, so the invoice is not reflecting in your GSTR 2A. Number 2, wrong GST number or invoice details leading to mismatch. And number 3, late filings which keep changing your GSTR 2A. So these are the common problems faced by the business owners while reconciling their GSTR 2A and purchase books. That's why reconciliation is very important so you can claim your correct ITC in your GSTR 3B and avoid any penalties or interest thereon. Now let's be practical. Reconciling GSTR 2A every month with your books is a hectic task. It is time consuming and prone to errors. That's when AI and automation comes to the rescue. The software which I use automatically fetches GSTR 2A from GST portal and compare it with my purchase register and provides me reconciliation summary which are further categorized into the simple parts like complete match, partial match, missing in my books and missing in GSTR 2B. These clear segments help me in identify any missing invoices or any mismatches or any error in the reconciliation. The software also generates clear summaries and reports which make my reconciliation faster, more accurate and stress-free. Let's get a quick walkthrough of this process. All I need to do is log into my software, go to dashboard and then GST reports and then GSTR 2B purchase report. I need to select the period, click on continue and click on reconcile now. I'll get my reconciliation summary, vendor-wise summary and detailed view which is further categorized into missing in reference, that is missing in books, partial match, missing in 2B, reconcile later which is further divided into missing in reference, that is missing in books, partial match, missing in GSTR 2B, reconcile later, do not reconcile and complete match. I can easily download this summary from here. In this way, I can reconcile my GSTR 2A and books in few simple clicks. If you also want to try this software, the link is given in the description. So friends, this was our discussion on how GSTR 2A works, why it is important and how you can use it to claim your ITC correctly. If you have any questions or any suggestions regarding the topic, you can tell us in the comment. Thank you.